What's up, guys? It's Ryan from the MXG channel again. I've got another teaser video and rumors to talk about with you guys today, but this time it's not KTM, it's not Sherco, it's Kawasaki. So back on May 3rd, Kawasaki dropped a teaser photo and it had 2 rows of machines, and all these machines were covered with bike covers. The front row was being announced in May, and we could see it had 2 spoked wheels, and then it had some kind of 4-wheel, and that ended up being the updated 2023 KX250, KX250F, and the newly announced 2023 KX450 with no updates. We also got a special edition Terex, which I don't think had any real changes besides graphics, colors, may have came with a winch and a radio and stuff like that. But the back row, we weren't getting that announcement until June 7th, and that's what we're going to talk about today. On the back row, you can clearly see there's 3 side-by-sides. It's now leaked since then that we know one of those is a new 4-seater Terex KRX. So not sure what the others are. They're probably just different editions, but we're not really into side-by-sides on this channel. And then down below those, we see 2 covered 4-wheelers, which is pretty exciting, more so exciting than side-by-sides, because Cowie has been lacking in the 4-wheeler department here recently. Once they got rid of the Bayou 250, things have been kind of bleak, so I thought they might be done with 4-wheelers, but apparently they have a couple new ones to announce. And then the most interesting part is the little dirt bike that's sitting at the very end of the row. And there's been a lot of speculation, people thinking this was an electric 65. Kawasaki's 65 and 85 haven't seen updates in a long time. Kawai's came out with some extremely bold statements of late, saying that they're not going to make any gas motorcycles after 2035, and they're going to offer 4 new electric motorcycles within the next year. I haven't seen any yet, so we can assume this one has to be electric. And it does look pretty small. It does look around 65 size, if you put it beside the 4-wheeler. But from all the rumors I've heard, guys, this is not an electric 65. It's not an electric 85. It's not even an electric 50. From what I've heard, this is probably going to be an electric Stasic style bike. I don't know if it's going to be a Stasic, a branded Kawasaki Stasic, or if it's going to be from a different manufacturer, but more or less the same as a Stasic, or if it's going to be something closer to the Honda licensed Granger kids electric bike. I'm not really sure, but from the teaser video, we see more or less just like a little pump track. I'm thinking that leads me to believe this is just more along the lines of a Stasic, because even Honda's Granger 50 video showed a much more interesting and aggressive track than what we see in this teaser video. So I'm thinking we're just seeing electric Stasic here, but nobody from Kawasaki's told me that. That's just my guess. So either way, we're going to find out on June 7th, and I know a lot of you guys will be excited to see the new 4-seater KRX and see what they have in store with the other side-by-sides as well. So whatever they drop, I'll be dropping the news right here for you guys. Thanks so much. Don't forget to click on the link below, get all your dirt bike parts from AOMC, and you can support this channel. Hit the subscribe button, guys. See you in the next one.